This is what we're calling Optimus Table, or maybe Franken Table. Not sure yet. We took our trailer converted camper out for its maiden voyage this past weekend and had this table set up for a cooking/prep station. We thought it needed some upgrades. First up is the paper towel holder. A piece of 1.5" PVC is the loose hanging bracket here. It has large holes drilled in the face to place a 1/4-20 bolt and a smaller hole in the back. It's attached to the edge of the table with the bolt and a nylon lock nut in the back. The actual paper towel holder is just bent steel rod with fuel line to cover any sharp edges, and 2 of them placed on either side of the bracket to keep it from sliding side to side. Next up is our utensil hangers. This is for spatulas, spoons, tongs, or whatever you want to hang. It's also made of 1.5" PVC, with 2 large holes drilled in the face for placing the bolts through the edge of the table. Then there are multiple smaller holes drilled out in 2-inch increments, a row higher and a row lower to allow for various configurations. The hooks were purchased on Amazon, and they were fairly cheap. Next up is our garbage bag hanger. This isn't really to support the bag, but rather to keep it standing and open. The bag itself still sits on the ground. It's made out of the same steel rod we used for the paper towel holder. However, this was bent and welded. It's 11 inches each way and leaves enough room for some slop in the sides. We're using a 30-gallon bag. It also has 2 keyhole brackets that we welded to it that we found at Menards. The keyholes just go on 2 screws and it just kind of clips on. This makes it easier for transport and less likely to bend or break it when we're moving the table. The bag attaches with small sections of fuel line that have been slit and work as a clamp. We're already working on other ideas for things to add to this table to make it more convenient, so let us know if you have any suggestions. We'll be taking it out again in just a couple weeks, and I'll post an update then showing it fully set up and what we thought about it. Thanks for watching.